Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to use the MySQL Workbench software to create a table. So basically we are going to create a database, and within this database we are going to create a one-to-many relationship using the ER diagram method. So here we have our question number 3. The owner of the Rajapaksa grocery store has decided to buy software to make his day-to-day business easier. The owner of this store has entrusted your organization to develop this software. Assume you are working as a software developer for this company and that you have been assigned to create a software database. Question number 1. Use Rajapaksha underscore DB for the name in the database. Draw an ER diagram. Question number 2. Create a database table using the following data. So here we have 1, 2, 3 tables. So here we have the customer table, customer registration number, first name, last name, gender, and contact number. All of these are of the type varchar, and their lengths are 10, 45, 45, 10, 10. And here we have our product table here. So product ID, type varchar, length 10, product name varchar, and at the length 45. And here we have a brand table. So brand ID is the column here, varchar 10, and the brand name varchar 45. So this is what we are going to create in our database. So in our MySQL software next. So here we are going to create a new database model, and here I'm going to rename it as Rajapaksha underscore DB. So now we have renamed our table, and I'm going to create an ER diagram. So here basically we'll need a table here. So for our customer table, we have the customer registration number. So all of these are going to be varchar 10, and we have our first name, our last name, then we have our gender, and this is going to be 10, and finally the contact number. This is going to be 10 as well. So next I'm going to create a table here for our product. So here we are going to have a product ID, varchar 10, and next our product name, which is going to be varchar 45. Next I'm going to create a brand table. So our table name brand, the column name is going to be brand ID, it's going to be varchar 10, so varchar 10, and our brand name. So basically this is question 2 answered in our question. Now I'm going to move on to answer the question 3 in our video. So our third question, customers who come to the store can buy as many items as they like. The store owner says that all purchased items must be stored in a database with a record. Design the databases accordingly. Use the ER diagram for this. So basically we need to make a purchase log for our database. So I'm going to move on to my MySQL Workbench to create a purchase table for this next. So now we are going to create a purchase table here. So we have purchase, and the name is going to be purchase ID, here we are going to make it as varchar 10. So basically this is our purchase table which we have right here. So now there are few one-to-many relationships which we have to make. So first of all, we have to add a brand ID to our product. So here we click on our product table and brand ID. Then we are going to rename this as brand ID. And then a one-to-many relationship between the purchase table and the customer table. So here I'm going to rename this again later. Then again our product ID. So here we have our product ID also created. So now I'm going to change the names of our tables here. So I'm going to name this as customer registration number and this one as product ID. So since our product will be carrying the brand ID along with it, we don't need to add our brand ID to our purchase table as well, because each product will be covered by its product ID. So basically this is it for normalizing our database using our ER diagram. What we have to do next is to forward engineer this. Click on next. And now our database has been created. So I'm going to our local instance here and I'm going to click on refresh, and here when I open down the tables, I can see our brand table here, our customer table, our product table, and our purchase table. So basically this is it, and that is it for our question as well. So this is how we create a normalized database using our AR diagrams using one-to-many relationships. So thank you for watching this video.